The ultimate goal for ITI is to source new and innovative materials, products that builders either know they need or maybe they don't know they need it yet, and take that to market. My name's Hayden Slatter and I'm the Engineered Wood Products Manager at ITI. ITI was first established in 1987. Today ITI is the largest timber distributor in the country. We operate from 8 sites. We have a further 3 in New Zealand, a timber processing plant in Chile, and we have a sourcing office in Indonesia. ITI, we source our I-joists from either Metza UK or another business in Scandinavia called Bigma Group. Our ultimate goal for our offer is to provide the end user with a product with the economy of loose timber, but with the benefits of a prefabricated product.
My name is Barry Sheridan, I work for Hundegger. We've recently finished the installation here of a turbo drive for ITI Victoria. It's a 13-metre infeed with a turbo drive saw and a 10-metre outfeed, which has the ability to outfeed larger pieces.
The 3 primary factors for ITI when choosing a processing technology partner was ability, integration and safety. We find the Hundegger Turbo Drive 2 has the scope to meet these requirements. We needed the ability to meet the current demands from the market as far as dock to length, service holes and marking of timber. The next thing we looked at was integration as far as how does the saw interact with our CAD/CAM packages, ensuring what we can model can be processed through the saw. And finally, safety. It's every business's priority to ensure their staff remain safe while they're at work. The installation of the first saw was actually quite exciting. The technicians themselves that come out to install the machine were absolutely fantastic. They treated the saw like it was their own property. It made us feel at ease that we were going to take ownership of a well-working, well-calibrated machine.
The machine has been installed about a month now and the customer's already seen the changes in the industry for them. Being able to offer the customer a broader range and a different product.
We have a bigger plan for the machine by running more and more engineered wood products through offering a greater dock to length service, using all the available tools on the saw to offer a package that will go to site that is installed much quicker than anything available on the market at the moment. Outside of engineered wood products though, ITI, our stable of products, our brands to build with, package, our range, there are a lot of opportunities for ITI to bring other products through the saw.